Good day, ma'am. We are pleased to present our project system called Library Link, a library system designed to improve the efficiency of library operations. We chose this project to address the common problems faced by the librarians. One of the primary challenges librarians encounter is the manual recording of data, which requires writing information on paper. This process is time consuming, inefficient, and prone to errors. Through our system, librarians can significantly reduce manual work. All records can be stored and managed digitally. Additionally, our system provides a more secure environment for data storage, unlike paper records, which can be damaged, displaced, or lost. Digital data is safer and easier to organize, retrieve, and maintain. Overall, our system aims to make the library management faster, more accurate, and more reliable. In this video, we will demonstrate our system, which my group mates will give an explanation to each feature.
First, let's log into the system. Once we log in, we're taken to the main page. So, in the LibraRinks offer eight main features. We have we have dashboard, add book, add member, search
Saan
members,
umalis?
borrow borrow and return, view all view all books, and view all members. So first we have the dashboard. The dashboards have the gaming features, the total books, available books, borrowed books, and total members. And then we added the pre pre added book, 11 pre added books, and six pre added uh, member members. And then add book. To add book is to enter the unique ID, then title book title, and then author. Once added book, the book is its alerts provide immediate feedback when it's successful or error, and then we go back the dashboard when it go back dashboard and see it's added now, and then add members. We go add members to register members. It is similar for adding like a book. So we enter the unique ID, member ID, then full name of member, then contact number information, then add member. And also alerts provide immediate feedback. Then we go back the dashboard when let's see tingnan natin kung na-add ba yung member. Then 7 na. And then search book. The search book po is enter po natin yung book ID para ma-search po yung book. Then maghanap po ay example po niyan ah yung book 1. Then let's try another example. Kaya click natin po yung view all books. Then try natin po yung book 5, the 4 bill. Yan. Try natin po i-search yun sa search book. Tandaan po natin yung book ID. Yan, book. Yan. Okay. Yan.
Oh,
Nasa search po yung book. And then, next is the search member. And then, view all members. Titingnan po natin yung i-search po natin yung member ID. Tatandaan po natin yung member ID para ma-search po natin. And then, search. And then magpapa po immediate yung alerts kung na-search po niya yung members. And then next is the borrow and return books. Dito po is enter po natin yung member ID and book ID na gusto nating i-borrow. And then, ganyan. And then, babalik po tayo sa dashboard kung titingnan natin yung available books. And then, meron pong isa na borrowed books. Let's try another example. Mag-search po na tayo ng books na gusto nating na hiramin. Tulad nito, yung book 5. Try natin i-borrow po. And then, borrow po. Book is already borrowed pala. Ibang view all books. Then, let's try another. Yan. Number 4. Then, book borrowed successful. And then dashboard. Borrowed books. Total borrowed books is 2. And then to return books, enter the book ID of books and then click return. Return. And then if you see the color green, the color green is available and color yellow is our books. And also, we can delete the book if you want to delete it. And the next is view all books. Sa view all books is to sorting book ID and title. Makikita po natin dito yung book ID, title, and then author, status, kung available pa po yung book, and then yung date added. And then, pwede natin pong i-delete yung books. Try natin i-sort yung title ng books. Yan. And then yung author. So, yun naman yung author i-sort natin. Yan. And view all members. Yeah. View all members. Makikita po natin dito yung member ID, yung name, and then contact information, and date registered. And pwede rin po tayo mag-delete po ng members. For example, i-delete natin po yung members. Tapos try natin sa dashboard. 6 members. Isa pang example. Mag-delete na natin. 5. Sunod.
Next po is for our data structure operation, we use hash map for fast lookups. Pag nag-search po ng book or member by ID, the map provides instant of one access time, making search very quick even po sa malalaking datasets. We use also po the array list to maintain array all books and members for displaying tables and performing operation like sorting.
Yun lang po. Thank you.